Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome to my channel Study Law with Bushra. So in this video we will discuss what is dower and what are the kinds of dower. But before starting my video, it's a reminder for you guys to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Let's move towards our topic, that is dower. Dower is also called meher. In Arabic word, the dower is called meher, or we can say that dower is a consideration for marriage, as we discussed in the essentials of marriage. We can define dower as meher or dower is a sum of money or any other property which the wife is entitled to receive from the husband in consideration of marriage. Or we can simply say that a law which would give widow a legal right to some or all of the property of her late husband, that's called a dower. Now moving towards the kinds of dower. There are mainly four kinds of dower. Number 1, specified dower. Number 2, proper dower. Number 3, prompt dower. And the last one is deferred dower. So we'll discuss each of them one by one, starting with specified dower. Specified dower is the one which is fixed by the agreement between the parties. That is between agreement between male and female, wife and husband, either before or at the time of marriage or even after marriage. So under Sunni law, the specified dower must not be less than 10 dirhams. Wife is entitled to this minimum amount even if the specified dower is less. She has to receive at least 10 dirhams from her husband as a dower, while under Shia law there is no fixed amount for dower. The husband may settle the amounts as he likes, though it may be beyond his means and though nothing may be left to his heirs after the payment of amount, but he cannot settle that amount less than 10 dirhams. Let's move towards the second kind, proper dower or mehre misal. When the amount of dower is not fixed before the time of marriage or after marriage, before the time of marriage, but it is fixed after marriage, and the dower of the wife is fixed by courts or by local customs of that area or by the positions of husbands or by bride's father. So in such cases, the social position of husband and his means are not much importance. According to a famous hadith, the wife's age, her beauty, her fortune, understanding, and virtue must be kept in mind while fixing the proper dower or mehre misal. The Prophet, peace be upon him, once allowed the marriage of Muslim guy for a silver ring, and on another occasion merely on a condition that husband would teach the Quran to his wife. Under Shia law, the proper dower should not exceed 500 dirham. There is a minimum amount in Shia law for proper dower, that is 500 dirhams. Next is prompt dower. Prompt dower or mehre muajjal. Prompt dower is a type of dower which is payable on demand by the wife. So it is payable immediately on the marriage taking place, and it is paid on demand unless the delay is stipulated for and agreed. So the prompt dower may be realized at any time before or after the consummation, before or after marriage. So the proof of intercourse between the parties is not necessary for the payment of prompt dower. Wife can demand it at any time before or after marriage. The last one is deferred dower. Deferred dower is a type of dower which is payable on the dissolution of marriage, either by the death of the husband or by the death of either parties or by divorce between the parties. So if the deferred dower is not paid, the wife in her lifetime, and after the death of the wife, her heirs may sue for it within 3 years from the dissolution of marriage. The wife is entitled to demand the payment of deferred dower. On the death of the husband, the wife has a right to relinquish her dower, but the relinquishment must be voluntary. And if no period has been fixed by it for the payment of deferred dower, then it shall be payable on termination of marriage, that is, either by divorce or by death of parties. So that's all about today's video.